Welcome to Layman IT. Today I'm going to show you how to do some basic shortcut commands on your Mac OS. Today I will be showing you how to copy, paste, cut, and delete a file. So let's start. So if you want to copy a file, for example, I have a business plan document on my desktop. What I'll do is to select the file and press Command C. If you want to paste that file now, what you'll press is Command V. Now, if I want to cut the file and paste it in another location, for cut, I will press Command X. And for paste, I'll again press Command D. Finally, if you want to delete a file, you will press Command Delete, and this will send the file straight to the recycle bin. Pressing Delete by itself will not work, but using Command, the file will be sent to the recycle bin. Right? And these are your basic commands for today. Please subscribe by clicking the link below this video. If you have any ideas or suggestions about any video tutorials that you'd want me to do, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Peace out.